understands how important it is for their children to know their roots. Majority of Igbo in Finland are married to the irresistibly beautiful blonde and blue-eyed Finnish ladies. Their offsprings share the two cultures, but because of the dominance of Finnish culture, it becomes an uphill task for the individual Igbo person to teach their children the Igbo language and culture. It was because of this reason they resorted to a collective approach. Thanks to the Finnish policy that gives every child the right and supports every child to learn his or her mother tongue and culture. For they know that this strengthens the child and makes him a stable and active member of the society. It is common among the Igbo people of Nigeria, wherever they are, to set up an organization that will serve as a source of support for each other. This goes in tandem with the Igbo saying, Anyuko Anirionu Oba Ufufu, meaning that when pea is made collectively on one spot, it is bound to create a large foam. And a large foam indeed, the Igbo Union of Finland has created over 10 years of its existence. Hence the call for celebration. On the 25th of November, they called all your friends and well-wishers to join them in the celebration by sharing kola nuts with them and praying for better years for the organization, better years for Igbo generally, better years for Nigeria, and of course, better years for their host country, Finland. One of the main highlights of the occasion was the showcasing of the Igbo children, the new generation Igbo, Umwaki Igbo, in Finland. The Igbo Children Cultural Club is run by Eze Clifford Osuchukwu and Ichie Christopher Isiguzo.